Okay, hey guys, so welcome back to another YouTube channel. So, I got this ball that is really cool. So I got it at Five Below. So this is what kind of stuff I got from Five Below. So I got this, I even got this teddy bear, and I even got like a little tiny unicorn toy, and I did that little bear, that pink bear. And I was thinking, I need to get like batteries for this thing, but I might get it soon. Might get it for Christmas. Let me just hold it up for you guys. This is what it is. It can light in your room, but all the stickers are coming off. There's nothing on it, so I might have to like draw on it, like use a marker. And I can put it in my room, and then I can light off the light. So I'm going to be showing you my toys that I really like. So, first one, I'm going to give it, so this one, I do like this. It's like so squishy, satisfying. So I might give this a 10 out of 10. Next one, this one is so cute. I might give it a 20 out of 20. This one, I'm going to give it out of 5 out of 5. This one, I'm going to give it a 0 out of 0 because it always gets stuck in my hair. We just stretch it. This one, I do like it. I can like pretend I'm eating it. Now we got this one. I may give it, oh yeah, what am I doing? I'm supposed to give this, so I'm going to give this a 13 out of 13. This one, I'm a 12 out of 12. This one has nothing to spin. It's just broken, so you just pop it now. So I'm going to give it like, what do you think should it be? Oh, the little guy said 1 out of 1 because it can't spin. I like spinning ones. Because when it goes this way, you see those smiley faces. And then when you do it this way, there's no smiley faces. I do like this one. So you can make anything with it. I'm going to show you what you can make with it. Okay, so I have this one. I have these two. So these are to be a 6 out of 6. And those are all my toys. Bye!